How to fix green flickering screen problem on iPhone device. To fix this issue, first of all, what you need to do is force restart your iPhone device. To force restart your iPhone device, you have to follow three steps. The first one is press the volume up button. The second one is press the volume down button. And the third one is keep pressing the side button. But you have to be really quick with this. Press the volume up and then volume down and keep pressing the side button until you see black screen. Once you see black screen, that means you have successfully force restart your iPhone device. Once you do this, your issue will be solved. In this way, you can easily fix green flickering screen problem on iPhone device. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.